In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trade XAUUSD on TradingView. XAUUSD is the symbol for gold priced in US dollars, and we'll walk through how to access the chart, connect TradingView's built-in paper trading, and place a practice order, all in a simple, safe way. Start by opening TradingView in your web browser. On the home page, look for the symbol search bar near the top. Type XAUUSD, then select the gold versus US dollar chart from the results to open the full chart view. This loads the live gold price, complete with candles, time frames, and all the tools you may want to explore later. For now, just make sure you're on the chart and can see price moving in real time. Next, let's connect paper trading so you can practice without risking real money. At the bottom of the chart, click the Trading Panel tab. From the list of options, choose Paper Trading, then click Connect. TradingView will instantly set up a demo account with about $100,000 in virtual funds. Any trade you place here is simulated, which makes it perfect for learning and testing ideas before taking on real risk. Now, let's place a paper trade directly from the chart using the simplest method. Move your cursor over the price area on the chart, right-click, and choose Trade, then create New Order. An order ticket will appear. This is where you tell TradingView what you want to do. Choose Buy if you believe the gold price is likely to rise, or choose Sell if you expect it to fall. Next, enter your position size. This controls how large your trade is and affects both potential profit and potential loss. So while you're practicing, it's perfectly fine to start small and focus on understanding the process. Before placing the order, set your stop loss and take profit. A stop loss is a safety net. It automatically closes your trade if price moves against you, helping limit losses. A take profit does the opposite. It closes your trade once price reaches your target, locking in gains. You can set these as exact prices based on levels you see on the chart. When everything looks right, click Place Order to send the trade to your paper account. After placing the order, TradingView will show your position on the chart, including your entry, stop loss, and take profit levels, so you can visually track how the trade is doing. That's it. You've opened a paper trade on XAUUSD. Keep practicing with different scenarios. Pay attention to risk management and use this demo environment to build confidence before trading live.